Welcome to Ray Education, the fully contented channel for artificial intelligence. And today we are going to see about the basic introduction about artificial intelligence. First, what is meant by artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is we are going to give the intelligence artificially to the machine. That is known as artificial intelligence. See that we are giving intelligence to the machine artificially. Yes, human we have our own intelligence system, but the computer doesn't have any type of own intelligence system. Just we are going to give the intelligence to the machine artificially. So this is known as artificial intelligence. Yes, first the definition for artificial intelligence. What is artificial intelligence? According to the father of artificial intelligence, Mr. John McCarthy, yes, he is the father of artificial intelligence. His name is John McCarthy. It is the science and engineering of making intelligent machines, especially intelligent computer programs. Yes, the artificial intelligence is defining as the science and engineering of making intelligent machines, especially an intelligent computer programs. Artificial intelligence is a way of making a computer controlled robot or a software think intelligently. So whatever the thing, the similar manner the intelligent humans think. AI is accomplished by studying how human brain work. Yes, we all have our own my brains. So this is our braining system. So we are going to give our intelligence to the machine. So that's the concept of artificial intelligence. See here, AI is accomplished by studying how human brain thinks and how human learn, decide and work while trying to solve a problem, and then using the outcomes of the study as the basics of developing intelligent software or systems. If you see that once a developer in the 1970s or 1980s, he thinks that whether the machine can able to do the human's work, then the artificial intelligence has been started and the artificial intelligence has been boomed. It's an developing technology. So what is the philosophy of AI? The philosophy of AI is a single word. We can say that can a machine think and behave like humans can do? So the scientists think like this, then the artificial intelligence has been evolved and it is in the peak of the mankind. Next one, what are the goals of AI? There are only the two goals of AI. One is to create expert system, another one is to implement human intelligence in machine. Yes, we are going to create a lot of expert systems. The system which exhibit intelligent behavior, learn, demonstrate, explain, and advise its user. Yes, this is the first goal of AI. The first goal of AI is we are going to create an expert system. The second goal is to implement human intelligence in machine. Yes, again and again they are saying that we are going to implement the human intelligence in the machine. So it is the goals of AI. Next one, various applications of AI. AI has been dominated in the various fields. It has been dominated in nowadays. It has been dominated in all the fields. All the fields means everyone has our own smart devices in our hand. So in that smart devices, if you open the device and you are wake up in the morning, you are going for any exercise app. So that apps consists the data sets. So it is one of the application of AI. And then you are using the Google Map. You are using Zomato. In your Zomato, you are ordering the food. After ordering the delivering of the food, you are giving that what is that we can say that feedback for the employees. In that feedback, it is known as sentimental analyzer in the AI. So like this, we are surrounded by the applications of AI in the real world without our knowledge itself. Here some of the fields which are supported to the applications of AI. First one is gaming, second one is natural language processing, third one is expert system, fourth one is vision systems, next one is speech recognition, handwriting recognition, and intelligent robots. So these are the some of the fields which was surrounded as in a field of application of AI. First one, gaming. Yes, all the fields. You see nowadays all the kids, even the second standard and third standard kids are playing the PUBG, otherwise the Free Fire. So like this, all these games are coming under the AI. Another one, the online chess. So there are a lot and lot of examples for the gaming. Second one is the natural language processing. So we speak the natural language. How that natural language has been understood by the computer. It is known as natural language processing. Third one, expert system. Expert system is nothing but of we are going to create or integrate a machine with a software or special information. So all the things comes under an expert systems. Fourth one, vision system. The systems understand, interpret, and comprehend visual input of the computer. For example, we can say that a spying camera, there is a spying camera which takes the photographs and it figures out the spatial informations or the maps. We can say the example of our Google Maps also. The Google Maps has been updating periodically because of there is a lot and lot of developments in the, I mean the sustainable developments are in our real world. So according to that, it has been figuring out and it is taking it periodically, it updates its databases. Second one, doctors use clinically expert system to diagnose the patient. Police use computer software that can recognize the face of the criminal with the stored portrait mode by forensic artists. Yes, these are the some of the applications which was comes under the vision system. Next one, speech recognition. Yes, if you take the mobile phone, in that mobile phone you're just saying that I Siri, hello Siri, what are the things, hey Google. So all the things has been recognized by your voice. How it is has been recognizing. Once you buy a new mobile, in that mobile you are going for that and you are just making, first you are going to make it as an intelligent. You are going to use your own words and you are saying that and it has been captured by the device and it has been storing. So then if you able to unlock your mobile, so your voice has been matching there. If your voice doesn't match and anybody else going to unlock your mobile, it can't able to unlock. How it is? Because of our voice has been already stored in that storage devices. So that is comes under the speech recognition. Some intelligent systems are capable of, that's the one type of examples. There are a lot of examples are there. You are taking your Gboard and your Gboard you are very much lazy fellow, you can't able to type the things, just you are saying that you are going to say anything the words in that, so it comes under that all the things there's a text manner. So this is also one kind of the speech recognition. Next one, handwriting recognition. The handwriting recognition software reads the text written on paper by a pen or on any screen or by stylus. Yes, this can be, we say that OCR convention, that is an optical character recognition. So it also comes under the handwriting recognition system. Next one, intelligent robots. There are lot and lot of robots are there comparing to the human. If you see, human can able to do the work by the lot of tired's and emotions or feelings, all the things comes to the humans. But if you assign any work to the robots, for example, if you see any robots in the manufacturing field of the cars or any small type of, what can we say, this is a headphone. In this headphone we are going to do any type of screwing work, it can be able to do by robot completely without any type of annoying or any type of brakes or anything. It's just a machine, just we are going to, it is going to do the work what we are assigned to them. So this comes under the intelligent robots. So these are the some of the applications which was under the artificial intelligence. Next, what contributes to AI? You see that AI is not a separate field. AI is a combination of all the departments like computer science, psychology, neuron science, biology, maths, sociology, physics, philosophy. So all these things integrated into one and it comes to the field of the artificial intelligence. You see that artificial intelligence in the field of, it is also in the linguistic field. Another one, it is also in an any some kind of what can we say that doctors use that specific robots to do the operations. So all the things comes under only the artificial intelligence. So the artificial intelligence is in everywhere, even in the engineering field. Otherwise you can simply take that there are a lot of surveillance camera in every cities of the world. So in the surveillance camera we can take the example of the traffic camera also. In the traffic camera it just capture the name board of the vehicle which was violating the rules and it comparing its number to the database which was in the server. So it compares the data and automatically sends the message. So this is also this is the field of artificial intelligence. See here all the fields has been contributed in the artificial intelligence. Next, what are the three types of artificial intelligence? Yes, the first one is an ANI, second one is an AGI, third one is an ASI. ANI stands for artificial narrow intelligence. Artificial narrow intelligence means it is just going to solve any one area problem. For example, there is some three examples we are given here: Siri, Alexa, and Cortana. Artificial general intelligence means it refers to the computer that is smart as a human across the board. Yes, it is acts as smart as the human. So whatever the humans can able to do, at the same time the machines also can able to do. This comes under the artificial general intelligence. But if you see that artificial super intelligence, it was still in the developing stage. It can able to do the work which human cannot able to perform. An intellect that is much smarter than the best human brains in particularly every field. So whatever the thing the human cannot able to do, also the machine able to do. That is known as super intelligence. See that artificial super intelligence. So these are the three types of artificial intelligence. First one is artificial narrow intelligence, second one is artificial general intelligence, and third one is artificial super intelligence. Next one, domains of artificial intelligence. So what are the various domains? So these are the domains. First one, artificial intelligence, deep learning, natural language processing, machine learning, neural network, and computer vision. We are going to see this each and every topic, but in the various videos. In this video, just we are going to see about what are the domains. Just the simple chart, the domains of AI. So deep learning, natural language processing, machine learning, neural network, and computer vision. In that machine learning, there are four types. One is unsupervised learning, second one is unsupervised learning, third one is reinforcement, and fourth one is semi-supervised learning. So these are the domains of artificial intelligence, and I like to state for your kind information, artificial intelligence is a superset of machine learning and deep learning. So many of them have been confusing that machine learning is a separate field, deep learning is a separate field. It is not like that. Machine learning and deep learning is the subset of artificial intelligence. Yes, thank you everyone. Thank you for watching my education. In this video, we see about what is meant by artificial intelligence. It is a simple introduction about artificial intelligence. This channel is a fully contented video for the AI. I thank you everyone for listening it. Thank you.